Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a magnetic window screen. So basically the benefit of using one of these products is so that way when you guys put it onto your window, that way none of the insects or fly can get in. Especially for your window, if it doesn't have like a window screen option, then that is basically where one of these actually comes in handy. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys do open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So the first thing inside, they do provide you guys the mesh material that's on here. So that way when you guys do put it on, none of the flies or insects can get inside. Next thing inside, they provide you guys like this plastic bracket that's installed, which I'll show you guys in a second as well. Next thing inside, they provide you guys this plastic strip that is used to install the product. And then next thing that we got right here is magnetic strip. So this is probably the first thing I'm going to install onto your window, which I'll show you guys in a second. You can see this is how thin the product is. And then the last thing inside is basically an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. You can see right here in the back, there's 6 different steps on here, which shouldn't be too hard. And in the front right here, they show you guys how to put on each different parts. And that is basically everything that's on the product. One thing that I do want to let you guys know is that when you guys do purchase the product, you guys want to get the correct size. The one that I got right here is a 58 by 48. They do have a lot of other sizes available as well. So you definitely want to do your own measurement to see which one is best for your window, because all windows are different. I also have this other one as well, which is 56 by 35. And the reason why I purchased this one is because of a different size and I need it for another window. So everything on here is the same. They give you guys a window screen. They give you guys the plastic strip, the magnetic strip, the brackets, and the instruction manual. So everything is the same. But once you guys do get the product, it is adjustable for your own preference to cut it out after you guys do set it up, which I'll show you guys in a second. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm just going to set this up to show you guys how to set it up and show you guys how it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. So the first thing I want to do is to tape on the magnetic strip. And you guys want to peel the back part when you guys do it. So let's put it on. So once you guys get to the bottom part here, you're going to cut it. And you're going to do the same thing for all the other parts as well. Alright, so once you guys finish putting on the first layer, what you're going to do is to do the same thing, but turn it around to the other side. So that way the magnetic part is on there. And then once you guys finish that, I'll show you guys what to do. Alright, so once you guys finish putting on the second layer, this is what it should look like. So this right here, the red tape is where it'll peel off later on when you guys put on the mesh layer. But if you guys pull it out, and you see how we do have the magnetic option on there. So what you guys want to do right now is peel off the red tape and stick off the mesh layer on top. Alright, so once you guys peel it out, you guys can stick on the mesh layer on top. So like I mentioned, for the one that I got right here is probably bigger than what it should be, which is totally fine since it is adjustable. So what you're going to do is just stick it on, and then after you guys do this, you guys work the next step. So once you guys finish this step, you guys can put the PVC tape on top, which is this one right here. And you guys want to stick it on the red side, so you guys can peel out the tape and stick it on. And I do want to mention when you guys stick it on, you guys want to make sure this side goes inside like this on both ends, so that we can hold it in place when you guys do set it up. So I'm actually set it up and show you guys what I mean. So I'm going to do the same thing for all the other ones as well. Alright, so once we got it on, what I'm doing now is to cut out the mesh throughout the side. So when you guys cut the mesh part, it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as you guys cut it throughout the side, throughout the corners as well, then you should be fine. Alright, so once you guys are done, the last thing is for you guys to put on the clip onto the side, so that we can hold it together for both parts. But before you guys put on the clip, you guys are going to peel out the back part here. You guys are going to take out the tape first for both of them. So that way when you guys install it, it'll hold it even better. Alright, so just like that. Alright, so stick it on. And you guys want to do the same thing for our side as well. Alright, stick it on. Once you guys stick it on, that's all set. So I can see it definitely took me some time to install it, but I can see once you guys do set it up, it definitely looks pretty nice. And if you guys try to open it, you can see how well it works. And now that way none of the flies or any insect can get inside when you guys do use it. So if you guys do open up, I can open up all the way and it's completely fine. And now I can get fresh air and don't have to worry about any bugs getting in, which is pretty cool. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. You can see it definitely does work. and very easy for you to set it up, but it definitely took some time to set it up. Welcome back, guys. So now it's a quick test of product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. If you see the whole setup process and everything definitely took some time, but you see once you guys do set it up, it's actually really helpful, so that way when you guys do use it, you don't have to worry about any flies or any getting in. Literally all you guys need is everything in this box, and also a scissor to cut off any extra parts and turn it into mesh part. And then you probably want to cut off certain part of the strip if it's too long or something, but it should be pretty easy. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for the product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys won't need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality magnetic window screen that you can put onto your window so that way none of the flies or insects can get in when you guys do open the window. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.